If you were looking to add some cool looks underneath your hood and squeeze a bit more air volume into your intake manifold on your 91 to 02 2.5 liter YJ or TJ, you should be looking at the Airaid Throttle Body Spacer. Throttle Body Spacers make good additions to existing power mods on your Wrangler because they'll help you get some more power out of your engine by allowing more air into the intake to improve throttle response, MPG, and horsepower and torque. Those are all great things to gain. However, I would like to mention that any gains will be minor, and if you do strap your Jeep to a dyno to take a look at the power, those gains will likely be found at the top of the power band, where us Jeep owners do not spend a lot of time. As for install, guys, this will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches. This spacer will bolt in between your throttle body and your intake with all of the provided hardware, and it's supposed to spin the air through the Helix board to push more air into the intake from the main air supply, which many customers say improves performance. Many reviews back on the product page say that this improves your throttle response, horsepower, and torque, but do keep in mind that this won't require a tune, so these gains will be relatively minor. This works with other power enhancements like cold air intakes, coils, and exhaust, so I would not look at this as the end-all be-all way to gain some power out of your Wrangler. So if you've added larger tires and a lift and you feel that drag in power, I would steer more towards regearing than a throttle body spacer to regain your acceleration. Nonetheless, this will be a step up from other throttle body spacers with the design. This will be made of red anodized billet aluminum, creating an eye-catching aesthetic whenever you pop your hood, and it has Airaid's Helix board design that I just mentioned, which is found in the threading inside the spacer. Like I said, this will spin the air in, allowing more air into the intake opposed to a standard spacer. Along with those benefits, this is 50 states mod legal, so every 2.5 liter Wrangler can enjoy this mod. Out of the couple throttle body spacers that we offer for the 2.5 liter Wranglers, this will be your most expensive option, coming in at right around $100 at the moment. This will be the most premium option because Airaid's name and the Helix design that they've included. The other less expensive options by Rugged Ridge and Crown Automotive will be about half the price or even less if you're looking for a throttle body spacer but for a smaller price. On the other hand, they will come with different style gaskets, and they won't come with that Helix board design that will allow more airflow into the intake like Airaid does, and they'll just create more air volume overall. This will be a very simple install, and it should only take you about 30 minutes to get this thing bolted up. So this gets a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me, and all you have to do is remove the factory intake tube and the 4 10mm bolts holding on the throttle body. Then all you have to do is sandwich the throttle body spacer in between with the provided gaskets and bolt it down with the longer bolts. So if you're looking to feel some better throttle response and gain a little bit of fuel efficiency, this Airaid Throttle Body Spacer will be a great addition to your Wrangler. This is Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.